Hi, my name is Bernard Ryan Estasamana and I'm 16 years old. Why do I think to pursue wisdom? For me, as a student, pursuing wisdom will help us understanding and paying attention and obeying instruction from the others. Also, pursuing wisdom will please God and unlock His solutions. My wisdom of life is the greatest wealth is health because I believe that if you have health, you probably will be happy. And if you have health, happiness, you have wealth you need. Even if it is not all you want, I apply this by simply discipline myself in every food I take. And I do exercise like I play volleyball in my spare time. Lastly, I also feed my soul by listening to the Word of God and attending Mass every Sunday with my family. Once again, my name is Bernard Renes Pagsamana. I'm 16 years old from STEM 1.